Slow hands. Slow hands. Like sweat dripping down my balls, baby. Slow. Just shooting a video for a truck. Yeah. Yeah, whatever. What's up, guys? It's Mark. Check it out. This is a 2014 Dodge Ram 2500. Always a trash truck driving by, ruining my goddamn videos. Anyways, this is a 6-speed Cummins, guys. A 6-speed Cummins. I'm sweating my friggin' balls off. 6-speed coming your butt. Not me, somebody else. You guys can all do that crap. Anywho, this is Mark, and this is a 2014 Dodge Ram 2500 SLT. This truck has a 3-inch spacer kit on it, guys. All right, Bilstein shocks, 3-inch spacer kit right there. Bilsteins. This truck's from Texas, or yeah, Texas. I think this truck's from Las Vegas. I'm sorry, this is a Las Vegas truck. Las Vegas, Vegas, baby. Shoot some dice. Yep, and person's still watching us. Anyways, it's running on a set of 20 by 12-inch Moto Metal 962s, bringing it back old school. Well, not old school, kind of old school. And it's riding on a set of 33 1250 20-inch mud terrains. Not really much trim with these Dodges, with the 3-inch spacer kit running 33s and the 20 by 12. As you can see, full crank, you might get a tad bit, tiny bit, but anywho, valance is still intact, not rubbing at all. Cab corners, just that little nipples bent back a little bit. That's all you can see, really. Truck's got the tow mirrors. Super nice truck. And the best part about it, it's a 6-speed. We got this truck, a lot of stuff fixed on this truck and done up. It's got a scratch on the back tailgate right there, dent in the bumper, small little nicks and knacks right here every now and there, but overall it's nice. It's got the fifth wheel in the back. It's got a beautiful Vortec I can't even speak today. Vortec bed liner all the way around. We just got this done. It's kind of dusty, but as you can see, it's beautiful. It cost a lot of money to get this done, fellas. And it's lifetime warranty, or it's a couple year warranty, I think it is, or lifetime. I gotta ask my guy. Anyways, it can hold up to some crazy shit. Super durable. If you have any problems with it, come back to me and I'll drop it off, and I'll give them grief. Anyways, super nice setup, guys. Here we got, this is how far the tires stick out, barely any if you want to see it, maybe an inch if that. It's got fender flares painted to match all the way around. It's got WeatherTech floor mats, automatic headlights, power, automatic windows, 70,000 miles, 6-speed tranny, guys. Woo! Ice cold AC, Bluetooth, no sunroof, center console for your iPad and connections and change that nobody has anymore. Secret compartment for your guns and all that crap. A disc player for your whatever, who knows what you gotta put in there, porno. This truck's pretty much bone stock. Engine wise, nothing done to it. 6.7 liter Cummins turbo diesel. It's got the factory Ram active air, kicks ass. Super clean underneath, guys. That's really all she wrote. Cube LED lights in the front. I'm gonna do a walk around the truck so you can see the stance. It's a very aggressive stance. It runs kick-ass. It sounds kick-ass. It's got the exhaust brakes. So for you guys who have the fifth wheel, gooseneck, whatever kind of tow setup you have, this has the exhaust brake on it. So when you're going downhill, it's all easy breezy. Super nice truck, runs and drives great. And I'm about to take it for a spin. So I hope you guys like it. This is the 2014 Dodge Ram 2500, 6.7 liter Cummins turbo diesel with a 6-speed transmission in it. Rare kind of setup, you don't see them that often, but they hold their value really well. So hope you guys like this one. This is Mark signing out because it's hot as friggin' ball sack out here, and I'm going to take a shower. So hope you guys like it. Peace out. Subscribe. Hit the notification button. If you want to know details of this truck, call or text me 540-848-2974, or click the description where it says 2014 Dodge Ram. Click the actual wordage and it'll bring a drop down menu down. Subscribe while you're at it, and then check the truck out in the description. Hope you guys like it. I'm gonna end it right at the 5-minute mark because I'm OCD as shit. 3, 2, 1.